Every QA engineer is asking the same question right now. Will AI take my job? I have been in the QA industry for over 10 years now, and I'm here to tell you the honest truth. Hi, I'm an AI and tech upskilling creator and a QA architect by profession with over 10 years of experience in the IT industry. In today's video, I'm going to break down exactly what AI augmented testing means and what it does to your job, and most importantly, what skills you need as a QA right now to stay relevant and to stay ahead in the market. If you're a manual tester, an automation engineer, or an SDET, this video is right for you. Let's get started. What is AI augmented testing? First, let's clear up that confusion. AI augmented testing does not mean AI replaces testers. It means that AI becomes your co-pilot. Think of it this way. Right now, you write test cases manually. You identify your test scenarios from your brain and from experience. You debug failures one by one. AI augmented testing means AI helps you do all of these just faster, smarter, and at a scale no human can match alone. The keyword here is augmented. It adds to what you do, it does not replace what you do. What AI actually is doing in QA space right now. AI is generating test cases automatically. Tools like Testim, Mabel, and Copilot can look at your application and generate hundreds of test scenarios in minutes. What used to take a QA engineer a full day now just takes about 5 to 10 minutes. AI is healing broken tests. One of the biggest nightmares in automation testing is test maintenance. Every time a developer changes a locator, your test breaks. AI-powered tools now detect these changes automatically and auto-fix the locators. Zero manual effort. AI is writing test scripts. GitHub Copilot can now write your Selenium or Playwright codes as you type. You describe what you want in plain English and Copilot writes the code for you. A junior tester today can write senior level automation code with AI's assistance. AI is doing visual testing. Tools like Applitools use AI to detect visual differences between builds that no human eye would catch. Pixel perfect testing at scale. AI is predicting what tests to run. Instead of us sitting and identifying that regression suite, AI now goes through your entire regression suite, which could take hours. AI now analyzes code changes and tells you exactly which tests are most likely to fail. Faster feedback and smarter coverage. And now, the real question. Is our jobs safe? Here is what AI cannot do. AI cannot understand business context. It cannot sit in a product meeting and say, wait, this feature will break the user's experience for mobile users in India. That requires human judgment. AI cannot do exploratory testing the way an experienced human can. It cannot think what would a frustrated user do. What edge cases would a developer never think of? AI cannot communicate with stakeholders, raise quality concerns, influence product decisions, or build relationships across teams. At least not today. Here is the truth. The QA engineers who will lose their jobs are the ones who only know how to execute manual test cases from a script. The QA engineers who will thrive are always the ones who use AI as a tool and bring human judgment, business thinking, and technical depth that AI simply does not have. The job is not disappearing, the job is just evolving. And the window to evolve is right now. And as I always say, always keep upskilling yourself. When automation came, we feared if we would lose the jobs. No, people who did not lose the jobs were the ones who started learning automation and implementing automation. And that is exactly what I advise you to do with AI. So, what exactly do you need to learn with AI's evolution? Number one is prompt engineering. Learn how to write AI prompts that generate high quality test cases, test plans, and test scripts, and even automation scripts. This is a skill, and right now, many QA engineers are yet to gain this. Number two, AI powered testing tools. Get your hands on with at least one of the AI tools like Testim, Mabel, Applitools, or even Catalan. Even the free versions will give you a real experience, and you can definitely put that on your resume. Number three, automation fundamentals. If you are still only doing manual testing, this is your wake up call. Learn Selenium Java or Selenium Python or even Playwright, or at least learn API automation if you're already into API testing. These are now the baseline, not a differentiator. Number four, understanding CI/CD and DevOps basics. I have not implied this enough. AI augmented testing happens inside automated pipelines. If you do not understand Jenkins, if you do not understand GitHub Actions or Docker basics, you will not be able to work in an environment where AI testing is being implemented. And last but not the least, data and analytics thinking. AI generates a lot of test data and results. QA engineers who can interpret that data, spot the patterns, and make decisions from it will be the ones that stand out. So here is a simple action plan starting today. This week, use ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini to generate 50 test cases for any application you are currently testing. See how good they are, edit them. That is your first AI augmented experience. And this month, learn one AI testing tool, watch tutorials, try free trials, add them to your LinkedIn and resume skills. And this quarter, in the next 3 months, build one automation project using your AI's assistance. Even manual testers can try this. Use GitHub Copilot or ChatGPT or any approved AI tools of your choice to write the code alongside you. Document everything. This year, be the person in your team who knows both the human side of quality and the AI side of testing. And that person is not replaceable. And that is the person who gets promoted. Who knows, in 1 year, you will be sitting in front of a camera and teaching someone these. AI is not your enemy. AI is the biggest career opportunity QA engineers have seen in a decade. The question is not whether AI will change QA. It already has changed everything. The question is, are you going to change with it? Are you going to upskill with it? Are you going to evolve with it? If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe because I post daily content on AI, QA, and automation. Comment below, are you excited or scared about AI in QA? I want to know so that I can help you accordingly. And if you want my complete roadmap from manual tester to automation engineer, make sure to visit my Instagram profile.